Again, very powerful, but it's very important that you vet the outputs right before you send it out to the reps, because there's nothing worse than a rep going in front of a customer and getting embarrassed because they're walking in with incorrect data that either doesn't tie to the story or doesn't tie to the price increase information that the customer will receive in their own ERP. So again, also here, productivity improvements and of course accuracy. And the whole idea around the grow is that you should be able to see increases in sales and increases in profit ideally at the same time. All right, last playbook, and now this is a whirlwind. So the idea behind keep is basically the maintaining your existing customers, right? Protecting their customers that are at risk. And so this is where you can use voice of the customer synthesis, so you can generate tickets, notes, and emails.